Alright, wanted to create a video to show you guys how to access the assessments for the curriculum that we bought, so that way your students can do this as well. So I'm in Google Drive, so under SMS SPED on the shared drives, SMS SPED, you'll go there, study skills resources, and then these are the 4 curriculums that we purchased. So if I go to self-regulation, do the lessons, and that's going to give you kind of the preview of what it is from the teaching perspective. That is the teacher's book. Obviously these two are the student workbooks. We have one in Spanish, English. So when I click on this, I just scroll down, and the first thing I need to look for is assessing your self-regulation, the pretest. And then it tells me which 2 tests they need to take, right? You click on this link here, and it will take you out to the to a site, and it will actually redirect you to a site that looks like this one right here. So then what you do is you'll go in, you create your own login information. It's all free. So then you can create assessments, so you can call it test 1. So it told me again, if I go back and look, it wanted me to take self-regulation questionnaire. So I do the drop down, find self-regulation questionnaire 7 through 12, that's the grade level. The knowledge test would be 7 through 12 right here. So that would be the 2. So I would select one, then I would hit submit. And then it populates in here, so it has an assessment code that the student would click in, and then you could see how many students have taken it, and all that. So when they get their results, you want to be sure that you have them saved as a. You want to be sure they save them as a PDF, because they'll get them and it will look like this green color, and that helps them to know where they're strong or weak on and things like that. So you'll see which ones are negative scored, which ones are positive scored, and all that kind of stuff. So that's how you can get in there and access those. If worst case scenario, you could always also send them back, save them as PDF, send them back to the student. Also, when I have them do it, you'll notice that I have them put in their student ID number, but I haven't put in their last name. It only prompts them for their ID number, but this way I know whose it is, so I can just send it back to them if they didn't save it correctly. So that's the only thing. So that's how you can get in there and assess or do those curriculums that we purchased. So let me know if you guys have questions.